Hello everyone. Hello guys. Quick check sound check because I was fixing the problem yesterday. I had a problem with my mic. Let me know if everything okay with sound. You can hear me well. It's not loud. Let me know. Sound is great. Okay. I was trying to fix the problem yesterday. Well, guys, let's see what we have here today. So, I'm still flat. I know, guys, I would like to see slightly higher first. Like, we just hit this already for a while gap. That's basically amazing. That's what I was waiting for. But I would like to see we're going just a bit higher to probably look for retracement down to this 4-hour OB. So for our order block at 38.14, 13. But I want to see slightly higher first. Once again, it's totally fine if it wants to drop from like this fair value gap here. We barely touch this, but I want to see a bit more higher, like 38.56 probably or so. Let's see if you're going to get any trades today. If not, it's bad then. I traded Asia, but would like to get something during the AM session. Since nothing during pre-market. So, you know, pre-market was consolidation, which is probably okay. But I would like to get some trades today. Hello, Daniel. Hello, George. Hello, guys. So today is giveaway. We are going to do, I'm going to do 25k Pro Plus funding 6 evaluations. Hello, guys. You in long? You in long in this consolidation? Oh, you doing? I know, like, I see this as consolidation, so I mean, I don't want to see slightly higher to 38, 56, 57, but honestly, I don't see a lot in this consolidation. You know, just don't want to chase the price, probably. All right. I mean, let's see. Maybe it will offer some longs. Once again, I would like to see still like 12, 13 points higher. And if you like swing longs, that's okay. I'm talking about like intraday trading. I would say Asia was, you know, I miss this trade. I forgot that I need to trade Asia. So I traded continuation, posted executions on Twitter. But yeah, I got 11 points. Yeah, got 11 points. Yeah, you know, the only issue with longs right now, long was inside consolidation. Like, we are inside consolidation still, so nothing changed, guys. So, that's the main reason why I am flat, probably. Where I'm from Belarus. But guys, finally fixed Replikanto this morning. You were right, they just blocked me because I tried more than 3 times. But funny to say, because I did exactly the same that I did yesterday, like nothing new, and today it worked. I was like, I'm from Belarus. No, Belarusian. It's a question. Yeah, you were waiting for it. Well, let's see. So we have some SMT, big SMT with silver so far. Price just hit hourly for a while gap, but once again, I don't want to see a bit higher, something like this. So back to this 3-minute OB, as you can see over here. So let's see if price can go. It happened early. I will talk about NQNES in a moment. Yeah, I tried more than 3 times. That's why they blocked me. So I tried again today. So I was like, I will try just 1 time, and my 2 attempts is going to be on stream. So I will ask people to help again. I have a question about sweeps. For example, yesterday on Asia, price made new all-time high and then go down with sweep. That sweep was, I was talking about this yesterday. So we had, if you open hourly chart, I can open with you, but idea is expansion, consolidation, expansion. So normally when we expect to get another expansion after consolidation, price it trace back to order block and continue going higher. Like, no way I'm going to short at this point. Consider idea like we have consolidation, expansion, retracement, reversal, consolidation, expansion again, right? At this point, your girlfriend is from Belarus? Wow! I don't have lots of friends, Belarusian friends, by the way. I'm not sure if I have any in US, like my husband only. But that's cool, that's cool. Can you change resolution? What's wrong with this? It should be okay, I guess. Okay, let's check ES and NQ real quick. So, as you can see, NQ just took New York midnight open. ES still below this level, which makes me feel, make it wider. Oh, you mean like I need to make my trading view bigger? Okay, I will do this next time. Not going to do this right now. As you can see, NQ took New York midnight open. ES is below this level still, which makes me feel like maybe move not completed yet, and we need to hit New York midnight open on ES as well. So let's see if ES can take New York midnight open. But honestly, yeah, overall we are still bullish, like overall, but I want to see this week will it trace a bit lower, and then we will go to all-time high again. So the question is if you are still inside market maker sell model here on low time frame and medium time frame or not, because like I don't expect like to get huge move down. All I ask is like Friday low, and that's pretty much it. But it does not mean like I want to see drop today. I'm not sure about bias today just yet, because we're trading still near all-time high, all-time high. So basically we are bullish, but I feel like retracement this week is necessary to pump us as the rest of the year. Like end of September, beginning of October, like we're tracing down, we're taking out for 50% of our week, 50% of our week over here, and we go to Friday low. Then we'll look for longs probably. But once again, probably not today. It's just like idea. I really don't want to see all-time high yet, but once again, who cares what I want to see, right? Yeah, today is last day of September, so it can be a bit tricky, I guess. We'll see. Last week, this means Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 4 days. Try to make $250, $300 each day. No reason to pause this for 1 day. I think like to make $1,000 for 1 week. No reason to increase your size as well. I cannot say for sure if I'm bearish on NQ today. But look at this reaction from our different values that we were talking about yesterday. That's very strong rejection, and it seems like we have second stage of market maker sell model. Once again, I can be like 100% wrong, but I don't mind to see slightly lower, like overall. Mostly I trade prop firms, so I'm funded with over 30 with 30 accounts. Like I have over than 30 accounts. 20 epics, 3 funding ticks, 3 Tradify, 3 take profit trader, 3 my funded futures. I have 3 funded next futures. What else? I guess that's it. Yeah, that's it, I guess. I don't see any in my list anymore. Yeah, that's it. Just want to ask you guys, what do you think about Lucid? Because people keep recommending me, like, Dasha, try this, try this, try this. Your opinion about this? Should I try them? Do they pay? Let me know. So, because lots of people, funny to say, but even today and yesterday, lots of people said, like, try this, try them. And I was like, it's a new prop firm. I guess they are here since March or April this year. So lots of people keep saying, like, Dasha tries this, Dasha tries this, Dasha tries this. But I'm thinking, like, if they're really good, to try. But because I'm totally fine to try, like, just let me know if you like them and I will try them. I will buy accounts today. Just let me know what do you think about them. Yeah, they knew. Oops. They knew, but yeah. Why did you quit trading Forex? I never ever traded Forex. Today we are going to do 5 25Ks, funding 6 Pro Plus evals. Personally, I trade 0 plan, but once again, I will do funding 6 giveaway because personally trade them, coming from my first payout with them, no complaints, amazing. Yeah. But guys, for Tradify, I will do 3 evals and 2 straight to funded, same day. But they think about this. Oh, we inside consolidation. I don't want to see higher. Like, I want to see higher. This is what I'm saying right now. I need to see higher. But honestly, in this consolidation, I don't feel like I want to try this. You don't understand Rebecca's setups because he trades not ICT. Probably that's why. You need to ask her on stream, so she will explain this again to you. Pink area, that's hourly fair value gap. 1 hour bearish fair value gap. Yeah, they come in with trader. Wait, I would like to try Project X. And I will see how it goes. Once again, I don't want to see we going to 57, 56 on gold. Basically 50% of hourly fair value gap. Basically 50% of the 3-minute OB. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So yeah, I have Project X right now. Tradify Project X so far so good, but this Project X is only for streams. So we taking trades on this Project X only on streams. That's it. Any other accounts that I trade like Asia, pre-market, PM, sometimes AM session, but Project X is just for streaming only. Like Tradify TV or here, I'm taking trades only on this account. Let's see if I can take payout soon with them. I hope so, but nothing is guaranteed. Let's see. Funny to say because every single time when I say like I'm about to take payout, next day is big loss. So let's see, slowly building the buffer for now. I don't have 25k. With funding ticks I have two 100k and 150k. So my risk is pretty much the same, $300. At 25k I would risk like $200 probably. Trump speaks at 11. All right. Anyway, let's see if we are going to get set up. So far, price is expecting this 3-minute OB, which validates idea to pump us higher to take this. Oops, not this. This area here. So 50% of 3-minute OB here, and 50% of hourly fair value gap. Well, this month it's only 2 payments because I blew almost all accounts last month. So obviously, not all, but almost all. Obviously, I'm working like slowly right now, trying to build the buffer. But so far it's okay, like no complaints. With Epics, no payouts at all, simply because I just started trading them since I blew 20 accounts last month. But yeah, slowly, guys, going for payouts again. Around 6 a.m. No, I don't. I'm not even at home at 6 a.m. No, I said I'm going to do giveaway 525k Pro Plus accounts. Not going to trade them. It's for you guys. So I risk around like $300 per account, per trade, not per account. Last month was hard. I know what happened. Like I was trading in queue probably. Yeah, guys, I didn't blow this for one day. I just was like almost every day I had loss on NQ. I mean, I had a win on gold. You just ignore me. Sorry, Jack, I just hit in the comments trying to answer, and I forget what you type. 1 second. I was trying to trade gold. I had amazing profits. Then I was trying to trade NQ right after this. Everything like... we're going to read. Okay, Jack. Hello, everyone. Hello. I never ignore you. But yeah, last month could be better. But it is what it is. Right now, just started from the very beginning again because new accounts need to build a slowly buffer. And once again, that's fine. It was my first time when I blew accounts this year. Yeah. But once again, no complaints. I'm not sad about this, you know. So guys, market is going to open in 9 minutes. We still expecting 3-minute OB. We have some SMTs with silver these lows. Yes, price trading inside consolidation. We barely hit hourly fair value gap, but I would like to see a bit more higher. Yeah, sometimes I hold like swing trades, but I don't hold like more than a week. I would say I don't hold more than 3 days. Cannot call myself as a swing trader, honestly. Alex, it totally depends on prop firm because each prop firm requires like they have different rules for payouts. So for Apex, I would like to build like 4k buffer, and then I'm like nothing to trade right now. Come on. I'm just chilling right now because price action could be better. Yeah, just not sure if I want to really like swing more than like a week. Any longs? No, we're waiting still, guys, for market open. We're still inside trading inside consolidation. We have lower, like we have level lower, and my original plan was to short from this area to our OB at 38.13. So we will see how it goes. I'm not on long, like nothing too long here. I don't want to trade consolidation. Like what I want to see, something like this. That was the plan. I have a question. Do you think mitigated PD order block and fair value gap when it tapped are still... No. You said it's mitigated. It's balanced. Like, what's the point? No point. It's not strong. Oh, you traded silver today. Okay. I'm waiting for the trade on gold. You wasn't short. Okay. Great trade. It's still inside consolidation. I don't think like I want to touch this just yet. Need to leave this consolidation and look for setup. So once again, price hit our bearish fair value gap. We have some SMTs at these highs. Really wants to see a bit more higher first. But once again, it's okay. I mean, once again, this is how I see. If PDR, like fair value gap order block fully balanced, like mitigated, what's the point to consider as a strong PDR? But once again, this is how I see this. I can be wrong. Tapped means touched. So we touch this fair value gap. It can be like just one tick touch, it can be 50%, it can be 25%, it can be complete fill, but we touch this. Tapped. Touched. Like untapped. So this means we never touched this. Yet. This is what I mean when I say this. Would you be happy for Dallas 3 funded making like 1200? Of course, of course. I guess first option is better for me. So I have over 30 accounts, but I don't copy like over 30 accounts. I trade epics separately. Sometimes I combine this with funding ticks. This means I trade 23 accounts at the same time. So let's see, guys, what we can get today. NQ and ES doing nothing so far. As I said before, NQ retraded to New York Midnight Open. ES failed, which makes me feel like, we need this New York Midnight Open as well. Yes, I traded Asia. I missed this trade, I'm not going to lie. Simply missed this. I didn't even see this. I got continuation, so I was waiting for a new 30-minute candle to open and order block right after this. So it was order block here. I posted executions on Twitter. Entry. My entry was a bit late once again. I opened my charts when it was like 8:18 or so. So I entered here. I put my stop loss below these lows and I was aiming for 2R. That's it. That was the plan. So we're still inside consolidation. Let me delete my ugly drawings from here. So we need to leave this consolidation first, and we will try to frame the trade right after this. Talking about Lucid, if I'm pronouncing this right, I will try them. Probably will get accounts with them soon, today or when they will introduce TradeAway. But yeah, I have a plan to try them because lots of people keep recommending this, so I probably like this idea. If price is going to close below 38, a short, we will see. I will keep you updated. So as well as you, I'm looking for a setup right now. Let's see what kind of closure we can get. If it's going to be like 1T closure, or it's going to be like strong displacement. So we will see. On gold, I use which contract is that? Like micro gold Z25 on Project X, and on Ninja Trader is December contract. So original plan was like we're going higher to 38.56, 57, and if it's going to offer setup, I will short. But I want to see higher first, like 38, 56, 57. Z contract, yes, or December contract. Like depends on platform that you trade. For example, right now I'm watching on Ninja Trader. It's December contract. On Project X, it's Z contract. So on TradingView, I use just gold chart futures. If you're going to execute your trade away, you can execute on your chart like gold, just gold, or you can open a December contract. You will see executions on both charts. How many micros I trade? Like recently between 5 and 7 micros on my new funded account, and on personal trade up to 2 minis. Like sometimes 1 mini, sometimes 15 micros, sometimes 2 mini contracts. I think you got my point. Okay, guys, market is open. Let's see what NQ wants to offer us. And once again, on ES, I kind of don't mind to see slightly higher first to New York midnight open. But NQ is done with this level, so NQ, this means it's going to be in sync? Let me guess. If it's dropping at this point, YM probably going higher. Of course, like... this happens always. Because I expected to get like ES to go higher. Of course, like ES and Q is going to drop and YM is going to pump. No questions. Always. Always. Alright, guys, let's focus. Once again, on ES, since NQ took New York Midnight Open, of course, it makes sense to go to New York Midnight Open as well. When I'm going to start giveaway, I will post the link for giveaway at 10 a.m. And I will announce winners like at 11. Like, kind of volatile right now. Okay, we will see. Stuck inside consolidation. Boring price action. Okay, let's see if gold can pump to like 38.57. Okay, let's see if we're going to get set up here. Once again, price still displaying 3-minute OB, nothing changed here. I would like to see we're going higher to 38.57. So same plan. Hi Michael, hello, hello. Be careful, yeah. Kind of not in sync right now with YM. So in Q2, New York Midnight Open, ES failed. At this point, kind of makes sense to go to New York Midnight Open as well, but it's struggling so far. Yeah, I will trade gold. It's my plan. I'm going to connect accounts on my Ninja Trader as well as on Project X. Okay, Tradify, Funding Ticks. And that's it here, so I can at least manage this somehow. 5 accounts on Ninja Trade I'm going to trade today, and 1 account Project is going to execute at the same time, I guess. Not right now, just saying. Connecting accounts. Yeah, I connected accounts to copy them. Just 5 accounts in Ninja Trader, and I will trade on Project X 1 accounts, total 6 accounts today. Let's see if we are going to get any trade today. I hope so. Let's see where is 2R. Just interesting. It's right above 38.57. Right. Just interesting. Wants to check. Still inside consolidation. I don't think like it worth to try this just yet. It's either need to leave this consolidation to offer obvious trade. Oh, you traded in Q. Good job. Just overall, I don't mind to see on NQ, like, personally. I don't mind to be bearish on NQ, like, today and probably first week of October. And the rest of the month is going to be probably bullish. That was my plan. Guys, do we have any news? Since price action is born right now, maybe it's waiting for news. I don't know. Oh, you try to use Fold 7? Yeah, that's great phone because guys, I have 2 phones, like 2 folds. It's Fold 7 over here, and I have Fold 6 over here. Like it's huge difference if you can see this, right? Like it's huge difference. Like Fold 6, it's hard to open this like this, you know? But Fold 7, I love it. Yeah, I have like 6 and 7, and I love 7 way more. You said you're aiming for Asia high. Asia high was taken long time ago, like at 2 a.m. You only have like London high. Annoying to open. You know, like what I didn't like about 6? It's like, look at this screen, like how can I use this? But it's much wider on 7, which I like. It's like regular phone right now. That's why I switched. Well, guys, I would like to see higher on gold, like 57 or so, 58. Oh, you mean all-time high? All right. Your setup trading set. Nothing to post, you know. I would like to see like higher. Honestly, I'm not sure about all-time high. I'm not going to lie. But I'm still flat on the day. I traded Asia only, and that's it for now. So let's see. Once again, we're still inside our deferred value gap, but I don't mind to see. We're not on trade because it was consolidation. See this? We just broke this consolidation high. That's it. That was the reason. Yeah, it's quite choppy right now, so nothing changed. Still inside consolidation. I mean, yeah. Look at NQ right now. NQ took London low. Yes, still, I would say trading inside consolidation, which once again, my biggest concern, it failed to take New York midnight open, which I don't mind to see. So yeah, we will see how it goes. Back on gold right now, I'm still watching slightly higher. So 50% of 3-minute order block over here lines up with 50% of our deferred value gap. So once again, you know, I'm pretty much conservative. That's why I'm looking for only over here. And if no reaction, probably will look for just another long. Good morning. Hello, hello. Chop, chop, chop so far. You know, we got pretty huge move overnight. Maybe this chop is okay. I mean, once again, I'm not saying like it's possible to go higher. I'm just saying like I would like to see over here at least. No, let me focus on gold, guys. Looking for the trade there. Maybe not at this specific second, but soon. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Yeah, pretty much superstar also. Yeah. Lots of different names. Alright. Let's see if price can pump slightly higher. Once again, I don't mind to see like 8 points higher. still inside hourly fair value gap, but I would like to see, like, we have big fair value gap. I would like to try to find something inside this big fair value gap to anticipate like reaction, because when we have huge fair value gap, it's always hard to say it's right now it's going to be point of reversal. Why? Because we hit this fair value gap. Nope, I'm trying to find something else within this fair value gap. For example, order block. 50% of hourly fair value gap lines up with this order block, with 50% of order block. Yeah, something, you know, like something like this. Come on, are you serious? Jack. On evaluations, hard to say, because on evaluations I go like with bigger size normally. I would say like $500 per trade. Especially if it's like cheap eval. Yeah, I try like with bigger size, with bigger risk. But on my funded accounts, like my risk is around like $300 per trade. Yeah, I would say up to 400, like 350 sometimes. So let's see price. We still, guys, we still going higher. So I'm watching for 57.4 to be tested, and then, if no reaction, we should go higher to take 3867.9. Personal risk. So on my personal account, I trade up to 2 minutes. So I can risk more there. But once again, it's up to you. So I risk around like $700, sometimes $1,000, depends how good setup. Because sometimes I trade with 2 minutes. For example, yesterday I traded with 2-minute contract, and my risk was, it was over than $1,000, if not mistaken. Would like to see slightly higher still at 3857.4. Like another 4 points higher. Once again, it does not mean we will reverse from that level. It just first, can I call this like body here for price? Once again, does not mean it's going to be point of reversal at all. But let's see what kind of reaction we may get. Of course, if price is going to hit this level. I don't know, we will see. Sorry, guys. How much? It depends on broker, so you need to check with broker that you want to trade. I highly recommend TradeView, like personally, or Ninja Trader. Personally, can recommend them. Let's check gold. Gold ES. Once again, look how ugly it is right now. Not in sync at all. One minute fair value gap, candle, press. Oh, you mean like you long? Okay. Just pass. Oh, woohoo! Good job. Once again, if it's not going to offer any reaction right now, it should go all the way up to 3867.9. Oh, my... Oh! Good job, good job. Good to see this. I'm going to repeat this again. We just hit 50% of 3-minute order block, as well as we hit 50% of our deferred value gap. It does not mean we should immediately reverse from this level, but we should be aware of it simply because it can offer reaction. But if it's not going to offer reaction, it's going to be just big, huge candle over here. I cannot say like ES is good to long here simply because we inside consolidation on ES. ES hit absolutely nothing. So for example, NQ took London low, ES did absolutely nothing. I wouldn't touch longs or shorts on ES at all. So yeah guys, I'm going to post a link for giveaway soon for you. I can actually post right now. Give me 1 second. I need to make this beautiful first. Okay, publish. Anyone with link. Anyone with link. Publish. Copy link. Guys, going to post and attach link for giveaway right now. $25K Pro Plus funding 6 eval. I don't use paid indicators. All I share is free indicators. If you want to get my indicators, just go on my YouTube. You'll find the video ICT indicators and all links will be there. All right, let me pause the link, guys. 1 second. I will not read the chat for 1 second. Give me 1 second. Once again. Link, copy link. Here's the link. Guys, here's the link for giveaway. I will do 25K Pro Plus funding 6 evaluations. Just click this link, fill the form, and that's it. That's all I ask. And good luck. Tomorrow I will do Take Profit Trader, and on Thursday I will do TradingView, but with TradingView I will do straight to funded accounts as well, not only vals. Yeah guys, good luck everyone. Today is 5 accounts. This means we are going to have 5 winners. No, completely free with no activation fee, guys. Lots of people ask me about like, Dasha, why are you not doing like epic evals? Because yeah, it's cheap. You can buy this, but you need to pay activation fee. Of course, I can give away like cheap accounts, but you need to pay activation fee. What's the point? I don't know. With Take Profit Trader, it's going to be free with no activation fee, as well as TradeZella is going to be completely free. So I will do 3 gross balls with no activation fee and 2 straight to funded. Tomorrow's holiday in China. Yeah, maybe it's going to be slow. Once again, nothing to analyze here just yet. Simply yes, stuck inside consolidation. I'm not touching this. So we need to leave this consolidation. It's not in sync at all right now between yes and NQ. I will try to wait a bit more. Okay, guys, let me ask you. Why I highlighted this order block? Who can tell me why I highlighted this order block? Why I highlighted this order block? Why not this one? Why this down close candle? Who knows? I mean, yes. Why what? Why I highlighted this order block? Does anyone know? To cut loss? Nope. No. Exactly right. New 30-minute candle, new order block. Exactly right. This means we got new 30-minute candle. We anticipate to get continuation, and order block has to form after this new candle opened over here. That's why. That's why not this one, but that one. Make sense? Explain this in my video, but just wants to share. As you can see, guys, trying to give us some sort of reaction from this level, which I expected to get this. Let's see what will happen next, because once again, yes, we have rejection, but we don't have any signs of smart money reversal just yet. We have some failure swings, which is going to be low resistance in the future. So what I'm talking about, we have low resistance to downside. Not right now maybe, but keep this in mind. So once again, we're trying to respect this key level, and that's why I said I would like to find something inside our fair value gap where we can get reaction. But yes, we have reaction, but not confirmed yet. So let's see what will happen next. I'm going to highlight this dominant fair value gap. Because we don't have any signs of smart money reversal just yet. Yeah, about oversizing, I agree with you. So once again, in order to get smart money reversal, I would like to get shift in structure to downside. This means we need to get the closure below 38.49, and it will offer first sign of smart money reversal to downside. We will go all the way down to 38.44, and then probably to 38.36. I like this reaction. We have minor SMT right now. Overall, still a bit more bullish. But once again, we have low resistance to downside. And right below sell side over here, we have for our order block. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, click the link in pinned message and fill the form. And good luck. I've seen many traders move from NQ to gold. Yes, because it's better. At least better to read the market. Easier to read the market. So as you can see, we are still struggling with drop, and we have New York midnight open higher. Yeah, sometimes I'm just saying, like, I feel like when I switch trades in gold, everyone switch trades in gold. It's not because of me, it's just funny, like, everything happened at the same time. Yeah, news in 50 seconds. Just I feel like it's funny, right? Well, it was one tick away from previous day low level. Power of Dasha. Sometimes, yeah, I feel like when I switch, everyone switched. Maybe because maybe I was so annoying on X, you know, like saying like trade gold, guys, trade gold, and then everyone realized like, yeah, gold. Look at this, it moves so well. Well, guys, news in 2 seconds. Where we going? Where we going? Where we going? Something. So we just did trace the statement order block. Price still trying to respect this. Let me compare with micro gold. I think like maybe it's going to be a bit different. Yeah, we have like we took this low on micro gold. We didn't take this low on gold. Let's see where price is going right now. Hello. So price trying to respect this internal order block still on gold. We took this low on micro gold. Not touching this yet. Yeah, guys, if you just joined to my channel and would like to participate in giveaway, don't forget to check pinned message in the chat and fill the form. And good luck. Good luck, everyone. As you can see, as approaching New York midnight open, I'm happy to see this because I was waiting for this move up. But look inside this consolidation, just garbage. Still feels a bit more bullish on gold. So I would say nothing changed. We simply retrace to order block. We have trend line. Yeah, price actually can retrace to this trend line, but first we need to get shift in structure to anticipate any move down. We don't have any yet. All right, let's see if it's going to present any opportunity for us. Hello, hello. But I like this reaction from 38.57. It's still bullish. Yeah, micro gold looks completely different, in my opinion. Still bullish. We got a reaction from this order block. We got the closure as reactions is from this order block. Let's see if price continue going higher back to 68, 67. Somewhere here, like 67.9. Another fair value got 75.6. All right. Thinking about if price is going to close above this level again, can we get long like this? Oops. We just got the closure above this level. Let's see if it's going to stay above this level. I may actually try to long this then. What's the low of this candle? Give me 1 second. It's 49 on micro gold. It's 44. Like 5 points difference between these lows. So can I say like we got SMT? I cannot really say so. But yeah, we got different charts on micro gold and gold. It's probably okay. I know. So we got this displacement above this level, so you can take partial at 3867.9 if you're in this trade. I didn't get fill. Nothing to show you, unfortunately. But once again, like imagine I'm in this trade, I just didn't get fill, but I would take partial here at 3867.9. Didn't get fill, it's okay. My limit order was over here, like at retest. We never got this, it's okay. We'll get another opportunity, like not a problem, I would say. No, I put limit order, as I said, like if it's going to close, I put limit order at 3857.4 at retest, and we never got this. It's okay. Just happy to see, as I said, it could be winning trade. I will just keep you updated right now. Guys, take partial right now. It's my friendly recommendation. It's partial. If you're in this trade, trail your stop loss at 3859.1 and your final target 3875.6. A bit annoying. What it is, what it is. Then just trail stop loss. Not disappointed, just happy with analysis as always. I don't use YM for SMT. No, just silver. What a scam. I know I will make my money, but what a scam. My limit order set over here, we never hit this level. But anyway, I'm happy right now. I'm happy I could it could be like immediately like win trade. No complaints. Oh, I don't use YM as SMT with NQ because every single time when I want to look for long on NQ drop and YM is going higher, I feel like it's a joke, but I feel like I need to use YM as like inverted SMT, right? Inverse correlation. I always feel like this. I know. Funny, right? Oh, you closed too early then. Guys, if you just joined to my channel and would like to participate in giveaway, click the link in the chat, pinned message in the chat, and I will do 25k Pro Plus Funding 6 evaluations. Wish you good luck. Oh, yeah, of course. Sorry, guys, I just don't need any drawings for water blocks anymore. Over here, it was idea for entry. Guys, it's 2R, just in case you want to close this, you can. If you don't want to close, hold this until... No, close here. Just saying. Cannot give you any financial advices, but... you can close here because, or you can continue trailing your stop loss because at 38.99.2 we have equal highs, which is hard to believe in them yet. But everything is possible. Good morning, good morning. What I want to say, well, using this model, guys, if you want to like learn about this model, it's available on my channel. Last video that I posted on Saturday. But once again, if according to this model, if this fails to go immediately on your favor or 5 minutes after you enter it, most likely it will hit your stop loss. I know how it works. I'm not kidding, guys. Every single time when I enter the trade and it goes like immediately in my favor or 5 minutes after this, I know it's probably going to hit my TP or at least 1.5 R so I can trail to break even. But if it's like consolidation, just ugly consolidation, probably it will just cut my trade. How was your pet? Pets. I have 3 of them. They are good. Thank you for asking. Not sure if I was in or out in the giveaway. I don't know yet as well. I can check if you want for you. So username is, I'm gonna check for you. No, you're. I cannot see you're in the list. 3 dogs, cats, my kids and my husband. So it is what it is. Yeah. So guys, if you would like to participate in giveaway, see pinned pinned message in the chat. Oh, your husband, yes. He's 40, 41, but he's still a kid. It is what it is. Sorry, guys. Still a kid. Yeah. I'm kidding, just. Maybe I'm not. So, yes, needs to hit New York midnight open no matter what. We need to pump higher. I truly believe in it. NQ garbage. Who is trading NQ? I know. But but on the yes, I would like to see we just go another 4 points higher. Maybe not from current. Maybe from current price level, but I would like to see 67.13.50 on NQ. No idea, guys. I don't know how people trade NQ. My birthday July 8th. It already was like this year, July 8th. Yeah. So well, guys, we just hit upper hour deferred value gap. Let me get some levels from here. Limit order was at 3857.4. We never ever hit this. Scam. I cancel this. It's okay. I will look for another opportunity. Who cares? Just had to enter. Like, yeah. It could be bigger risk, but who cares? Like, obvious move up. We got the closure above this 50%, which was immediate invalidation of order block and upside move. I cannot say that gold is tricky, honestly. Since it failed to offer the rejection here, smart money reversal obviously is bullish sign, and we continue going higher. Well, I got trade in Asia on my TradingView accounts and on my personal account. So I made my money on TradingView trader weight because I trade on trader weight. But I'm flat on Project X on straight to fund. But I'm up on my trader weight TradingView from Asia, but nothing here yet. I mean, like, I'm overall green today. Just saying. Yeah, guys, once I will hit 30,000 people on my channel, it's going to be huge giveaway. Like, big giveaway. I'm going to set alert here. Truly believe you need to go there on an ES. Not sure about NQ because NQ looks a bit more bearish compared to ES. You entered what username you used? What is your username then? MXM. It says nothing found. Travis different browser. I mean, different account. I think so. Let's check. You're not sure if you entered? You're here, don't worry, but I don't see MXM. Well, guys, personal trade 150k straight to funded on Project X, and I have 2 TradeAway accounts with them. I traded them last night, so I'm up there. Different profits simply because I executed one by one. But yeah, I made money on doing Asia on personal and 2 TradeAway accounts. I have a question. Maybe it's going to be a strange question. Do we have option to trade Project X on our phone? Do we have app for this or something? Yes, you can. Oh, that's nice then. Can I use like any apps or just browser or something? Web browser, okay. Well, then I can try this because I trade on TradeAway. I use like trading. I hate to use TradingView honestly for trading, but I don't have any option simply because I trade on my phone during Asia. I don't have once again any other option. All right. Blue Guardian. I have no idea what is this. I'm thinking about to get Lucid account. If I pronounce this right, I don't know. I have Android. Samsung. Yeah, let me know. I can actually try this. I like this idea. So it's about to balance this fair value gap, because if no reaction, like, yeah, you're right about all-time high again. Yeah, Samsung. Yeah, love it. Love it. Full TP, yeah, probably it's going to be Asia high. I know. As you can see, we got straight move up on 3-minute chart. No reason, like no way to enter. Where you live in Russia? I lived in Belarus. I moved 10 years ago. But yeah, I was in Belarus. I don't live there. I mean, last time when I was there, it was 10 years ago. Tomorrow another giveaway. Tomorrow is going to be Take Profit Trader 150k accounts, and on first is going to be Tradify, 2 straight to funded and 2 evals with no activation fee. Anyway, I'm sitting with profit from Asia on Tradify straight to fund accounts. Once again, I have 2 trader weight and 1 Project X. That's what I made this night. Once again, profit is different simply because I entered 1 by 1. But yeah, this is what I made this night. And nothing on Project X. So I'm happy with my profit, you know. Let me know if I need to do recap on this trade, because I can actually. If you want, I can record this today right after stream. Recap on my long from Asia. I will explain the reason, because lots of people ask me about why I took this trade, Dasha. Yeah, I will do that. I'll just right after stream. It takes me 5 minutes to record this. Who trades in Q&As? Come on, guys. I do this on my own. Like, I use Premiere Pro to do like quick cut, because like it's simple. Like 5 minutes to record, just cut this and that's it. Well, if you love to execute on, let's say on TradingView, you can just use like contract like micro gold Z or just GCZ December. You can just trade here. You will see executions on just regular chart like gold and December contract. Yeah, I record it's quick videos, so like less than 1 minute, sometimes a bit more than 1 minute, but like to the point, right? It's right now it's very first retracement after we got a move up to our deferred value gap. We got look at this straight move up on 30-minute chart and look at this bullish hourly chart. We have low resistance to downside. We have trend line, which is not valid anymore. But yeah, if it's going to stay above 50% of this move up, last move up from this swing low to this swing high, I can look for another trade. Because guys, who trades in QNES? I don't know. I could get another win here because it was quite obvious trade. No, I don't want to see OTA. I would like to see price staying above 50%. So basically another long from premium, if I can say so. So another long from premium. This means above 50%. At this point, I will look for long to aim for Asia high. That's it. I'm kidding, guys. Of course, trading ES and Q if it works for you. Like, yeah. I'm just kidding. But yeah, guys, soon, still you watching me right now, soon we are going to participate in another arena competition. Soon. Did you like this? Because we are going to trade gold there. Whoa! Not only yes. Guys, who will participate in new arena competition with me? I'm going to host this, but also I'm going to participate. We can trade gold there. Yeah. I will share all details soon by the end of this week. But guys, all I know, we are going to kill this on gold. Because ES was yes, come on. Who trades ES? And you know, like it was FOMC week and it was really garbage price action. It's going to be Ninja Trader Arena competition. So we participated in this last week. I took only 3 trades in this competition last week, and I was... How many participants we had? Like 5,000 participants. I was 196. Yeah, it was my place there. But considering 3 trades only, 2 wins and 1 break even, I did amazing. Like I didn't have any losses at all. So I'm going to participate again. I don't have tasks to win. But yeah, I would like to trade gold. We can trade on the micro gold, but it's okay. Up to 10 micros is like enough for us. But yeah, we are going to kill this. I know. You can swing there. You know why I like Ninja Trader? Because I know like not lots of people can afford to swing trading, for example. Some people trade only prop firms. Like, obviously, we cannot swing there. But on Ninja Trader Arena, we can swing. We can just enter on Monday. And by the way, it's going to be 1 day competition. We are going to just trade this 1 day. Well, guys, right now on gold, we're trying to stay above 50%. We did not hit any fair value gap. Yeah, it's sim environment. But you can trade up to 10 micros. You don't have like daily throwdown or something like this. But we are going to kill this, guys. I know, like I did like competition last week. It really was interesting, amazing. This time we will be able to trade micro ES, micro gold, micro NQ, micro CL, and micro RTY, M2K, right? Midnight New York Cop. I don't know. We're gonna see right now. I'm going to check for you. And right after stream, I will record recap on my trade. And guys, I will also try to buy Lucid accounts to try them, and I will see if I can recommend. No, we did not hit this, so yeah, we still have room to go higher. But yeah, the gamblers, it's the up to 10 micros. Up to 10 micros. It's, I mean, like, no gambling here. I mean, of course, you can open and close positions, probably. But it's going to be fun. I'm excited to participate with you because I'm going to spend all day trading only this account. I mean, we're going to trade together. I'm not sure about how much we can win, but it's more than was last time. That's all I know. Once again, talking about this trade, you can rewatch my stream, but talking about this trade, I will record recap because I got win. Oops. On my personal, traded 2 mini contracts, and I traded 10 micros on straight to funded TradingView accounts. I took some partials, and why its idea was the same, guys. I just log in, enter the trade, then switch to account, enter it again, so I missed some move. So I just entered one by one because I don't know how to group trade on a phone. Of course. So it's same trade idea, just it was early trade, it was late trade. But yeah, this is what I made on my long during Asia. I hope everyone longs this because I had limit order placed at this long over here. It never hit on my project X. I'm not sure, like probably it didn't hit everywhere. But idea play out. I said I'm going to long this, and pretty much went immediately in our favor. You know, like guys, I'm humble, but what I want to say, lots of people trading this model, but I didn't see a single person who trades this live, or at least reads the price action, not in hindsight, right? But yeah, guys, I feel I'm so confident right now with my trading, especially with gold, because at least I understand, like, okay, here's the setup. I'm going to trade if something, like, if this and this. And that's why I said, if it's going to close above this level, I will try to long. And it's going to be long that I want to try. Before this, I didn't say a single word that I want to long. But here we had a plan long here to aim for this level. Did it play out? Yes, of course. Of course, in hindsight, like, good job who took long here, but of course in hindsight I can say, yes, I had to enter here because we got sweep, blah blah blah. But in real time, guys, it was really consolidation. Does he get company car? David, what are you talking about? Oh, you're talking not with me, right? Yes, guys, about short trade, I recorded recap and I posted on my YouTube already. Long term, we will go to 4K. It's long term view. Yes, exactly right about market behavior. That's exactly right. Good point, by the way. Because once again, yes, you have a model that you can trade. Oh, come on. Are you serious? I trade live here. If you're blind, so I feel sorry for you. Bye. I see you next time. About market behavior. So yes, so talking about like setup, you have a model, but without understanding high time frame, overall high time frame chart, high time frame structure, no chart. Probably this model is not going to work for you. So yes, you need to understand at least basics of market structure. People think like they can hit me and I'm going to be sad about this. I don't care about this. Sorry, guys. I had so much hate in my life, so come on. I can make fun of it if you want, but... So once again, longs possible only by 50% over here. Hello, hello, it's okay, you missed long. You only missed long for 18 points. Once again, I cannot say like trade NQ because trade NQ or don't trade NQ, simply because I don't know what works for you. I don't know your model. What I'm saying, NQ doesn't work for me. But it works for many other people. See, NQ, yes, failed to take New York midnight open by 2 ticks. Scam. What a scam. Yes, exactly. Try to trade something that works for you better. So NQ, I saw NQ that doesn't want to work for me at all. It's okay. I'm not going to touch this. You're trying to learn English? I'm trying to learn English as well. You're not alone. My husband always says, like, you need to speak with ChatGPT or Grok to learn English, so it will teach you. Yeah, that's right, exactly right. Do you have? Yes, it's my last video, and it also I also include backtest there. I covered every single question that people ask me. Let me point the video. Guys, I'm going to announce winners in 20 minutes. And I will try to send accounts tonight. Maybe tomorrow. So here's the link, guys. It's a long video, but first 10 minutes is going to be explanation. Another like 40 minutes is just backtest. Tradify at 12:30 p.m. Guys, do you want to see like perfect chart, like textbook chart? Look at this amazing chart. So tradable. Looks so amazing. Textbook move. Look at this. Pff. I never saw such a perfect, like amazing chart. Guys, see this? Not found? Let me try to click this. Go to channel. Let me try again. Share. Copy. It should work. Money on NQ, yes. You can scan it to buy, let's say, hot dog at Costco. Or what else I can buy? Slice of pizza, probably. Yeah. Beautiful chart. Buy, sell, buy, sell. Any giveaway? Yes, guys. See pinned message in the chat if you would like to participate in a giveaway. Just fill the form. Do you trade silver? I do trade silver, but like I use this for SMT. I always say like silver is expensive compared to gold. How to participate in giveaway? Click pinned message in the chat. Oops. Fill the form and that's it. With order flow, guys. Next video is going to be probably next week or in 2 weeks. I will explain how I use order blocks. Only it's going to be a short video about order block. Full port. Exactly. Well, London low taken and previous day low taken on ES. Failed to take New York with net open, biggest scam in this world. But also previous day low failed to be taken on NQ by one SIG. Trump is speaking, okay. So guys, normally I go live at 9 a.m. and I'm here until 11:30 a.m. Today we got long. My limit order was here, just never filled this. Sorry guys, I cancel order there. But yeah, it was only traded idea that I was looking for. And once again, see guys, when I said I want so long, like I saw confirmation and see price immediately went in our favor. If I want to compare price action over here, yes, long inside consolidation, but see what happened here, still consolidation. You want to get better structure with, and price immediately goes in your favor. I know, like, it's probably magic, but once again, using this model, I explained this in my video as well. If price goes immediately in favor, most likely it will hit your TP. Once you up 1.5 R, just trail your stop loss to break even. Always. I mean, not always, but this is what I do. But I think about gold, I think like we're going higher. We're going to 38.90 probably, 92, preferably all-time high again. What stop? I was bullish. I mean, like, once again, I was bullish to this level, 38.57, and I said I will short from 38.57 if it's going to present shift in structure. So we were waiting for the closure below swing low. We never got this. At this point, price reversed and closed above 50% of 3-minute OB here, which was bullish sign. That's why I said I will long then. Do you trade news? Preferably don't touch them, but if it's like 10 a.m. news, sometimes I was in trade. So yes, this means I trade news. Buy dips, exactly right. So this is how we trade, this is how we execute when we're inside the trend. Are you going to long? Let's see if we need to get new change in the state of delivery. Find some other way to give. I cannot participate. Use different email. Beautiful chart, guys. So what I want to say, what else I want to say here? I know. What a garbage. So today I traded gold. It was my trade on gold during Asia. And my second trade, I had limit order, buy limit order. Never feel this buy limit order. But I said I will long this. So buy limit order set over here to aim for this level. We never hit this. That's totally fine once again. Another trade could be here. So I only saw 3 trade ideas for the last 12 hours. 3 were winners. If you want to learn how I trade gold, I have video about this on my YouTube channel, the very last video, and I included backtest. So you will see my process, how I do this. Do you trade platinum? I don't. But lots of people ask me about this, like, why don't trade this? Why don't trade this? I know. Does it move nice? Can I trade this? Let's see. On Project X? Yeah, I can. Do we have like micro? Project X does not have option to trade micros. So I use first stream in Sony A6400. That's the camera that I use for streaming. I want to buy another one for taking photos because I used to use this camera for taking photos of my kids, but right now like it's hard for me to put this back, so I want to buy a new one, but I'm waiting for a release, so it's going to be like in a couple of months, I guess. Yes, 30-minute chat. It's funny, right? Oh, gift? No, I will just buy this. I'm the person, you know, guys, I'm working on it to improve this, but I'm always thinking like if I want to buy something expensive, because this camera is going to be like over than 5K, like $5,000, it's okay. But I'm always like, should I buy this? Like, it's expensive. I always think about this. But in reality, if I want to buy this and I know like how I'm going to use it, just go and buy this. But I cannot do this for some reason. I always feel like, you really need this. Why? You're going to use this 100%. You know, like, it's annoying, extremely annoying. So as you can see, price still never retraced this for value gaps that I was watching. That's good? You think so? That's annoying. Really annoying. Well, guys, we have so far it failed to take this high, so does not want to provide new break of structure to upside, considering basics of market structure. So at this point, I really would like to see price retracing back to fair value gap here, like 38, 65, 63. Short stop depends what level you're looking for. So maybe something like this, you know. Yeah, I will be on TradingView TV, guys. Yes. Just fill the form, Google form, guys. I will announce winners in 9 minutes. Can you explain? For gold. Okay, well, on gold, I'm watching continuation higher to back to 38.90, 95. So maybe it will take, you know, like London high, pre-market high. But for this, I'm watching if price can retrace down back to the 3-minute fair value gap and stay within this fair value gap. Preferable to stay above 50% of this leg up. Long to Asia high. Yesterday I was you were watching my previous videos and I realized how my gym affects you. I look big? It's just too short. I'm not big. It's just too short like this, you know? I'm not big. See? By the way, I don't use like huge weight, but yeah, I lost some weight. I lost like 10 pounds. I didn't. Really? You look big? You feel like it's nice to say this to me? Really? I look big? How am I supposed to react on it? Just tell me. He's probably kidding. Where is valid order block? Prefer to get valid order block from 3-minute fair value gap. That was the plan. Like 3-minute OB somewhere here, and I will long 3-minute order block. But I don't look big. You know, every single joke has some piece of truth, right? But for SMT, okay, back to price action. For SMT, I use silver and I use some forex pair. It also works so well. You took it seriously too quickly. I mean, if I see that, yeah, I stream PM session on TradingView TV. I trade ES there. Just saying, I trade ES there. You never post. I mean, you can see me every day. Where's the entry? Okay, I was looking for long. If it's going to trace to fair value gap, or for 3-minute OB, long to this level. Hello, 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 hello. Long to this level, so it's New York midnight open at 3892.8, and then Asia high. So it was like potential long from here, but only if it's going to present 3-minute OB. Let's say it's presented this 3-minute order block. I want to long. Like, it could be my plan. As you can see, price still trying to just continue going higher with no retracement at all. Probably that's okay, just no entry at this point. I didn't mind to get something like this. You finished 62. That's brilliant. See? New competition is coming next week or 2 weeks. No, wait. Now you have to say. Say this right now. I would not like it. Go for it. Right now, I will send you lots of messages on Instagram. You have to say this. You lost this? Oh, it's just coffee, you know. Well, right now in D premium, we trade inside hourly fair value gap. We just got order block. I got your point, but I will not call this A plus trade at all, simply because we have room to go lower for the retracement, which is still will be above 50%. So can I long here? I don't want to personally enter here. It's too deep in premium for me, and even with this retracement, it's going to be in premium, but at least this retracement is going to make sense. On NQ, look at ES. ES needs to take this New York midnight open. What a scam. Look at this price action. I would try to long for after retracement. Do you look for SMT? So yes, that's right. I use SMT from Forex, and also I use silver. Previous day high target. I'm not quite sure about previous day high just yet. But slightly higher, yes. Asia high. Look at NQ, how NQ failed to take Asia high by a couple of points and previous day low level by a couple of points. Okay, guys, I'm going to announce winners in 1 minute. You have 1 minute to enter giveaway, guys. And I will start announcing winners. Okay, let me do like this. How to enter? See pinned message in the chat. I'm going to hide all emails. Can I move this? No, I cannot. Yeah, you can see this. Well, I can move my camera. Give me 1 second. Well, alright, guys, let's announce winners. Let me open random number generator. I didn't type this. So how many people we have? From 2 all the way down to 409. Okay. Okay, first winner is 385. Let's find this. 385 is David. Congratulations. Quick reminder, it's going to be 5 winners. First one. Second winner is 276. Congratulations. Next winner is 240. Cannot read this, my bad. Infinite. Oh, come on. Impossible to read this. Another one, 2 more. 154. And last one. Don't worry, guys, tomorrow another giveaway, like if not today, maybe tomorrow. 85. Joseph. And here we go. Yes, finally hit. It's a scam, definitely. So then, look at the, yes, finally hit New York Midnight Open. Well, guys, don't worry tomorrow. Congratulations, Joseph, right? My bad, guys. Tomorrow will be a take profit trader, and on Thursday is going to be a TradingView. Once we hit 30,000 people on my channel, it's going to be huge giveaways every day. Let me try to find your name. You were 408. I did not hide them? Oh, my bad. I'm just blind, probably. I can cut this if you want, like... yeah. It's okay, guys. We will try again tomorrow. You can try again tomorrow. We got 5 winners for today. Guys, make sure if you winner to have active account. Just create account. That's it. You need to have account with funding ticks. Well, guys, as we can see, yes, hit New York Midnight Open, and you hit Asia high, so we have SMT at this low simply because yes, took previous day low level and Q failed. So yeah, it's stuck. I'm going to record right now recap on my trade on gold. This trade I took on my personal account and I took on TradingView account, straight to funded accounts. Will record right now. I missed this initial trade, but second one was way better. So yeah, guys, I'm going to stream PM session on TradingView TV. I will trade ES there in case it's going to offer any setup for me. Don't make stupid mistakes. I'm going to record new video right now. You took same trade. Woohoo! I trade 10 micros. Just, you know, I have problem with I had a problem with Replikanto. Can you make... Oh yeah, of course. So yeah, I will see you guys in 1 hour on TradingView TV. We'll trade yes, here's the link where I'm going to stream. I'm going to stream on TradingView TV. What hype? I didn't get this as well. I'm going to stream there. Let's see how it goes. Guys, don't make stupid mistakes. See you soon. And thank you for watching me, guys. Bye bye, everyone.